everybody, welcome to the Port Sanibel Marina today, where we've taken out the loading dock for the restaurant here. It had been in some need of some help. We went ahead and tore everything out here. We started some demolition and we're getting ready to continue on and get ready to pour the rest of the pad here so we can put the next launch pad plate in and get this place back open 100%. All right, make sure you check back with us at floridastructuregroup.com for more updates out here at the Port of Sanibel Marina.